Hello everyone and welcome to AI and Machine Learning tutorials. In this tutorial, we explain how to install and run on a local Linux Ubuntu computer the Nemotron-Labs-Audex-2B model. This is a multifunctional model that enables audio understanding, speech recognition and translation, text-to-speech, audio generation, and speech-to-speech generation. Here is a brief demonstration of this model. I will record myself speaking several sentences, then I will save the file, then I will convert the file to an MP3 file or WAV file, and then I will provide this file to the model and I will ask the model to transcribe this file. So let's start. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? What is happening today? This YouTube video is about an AI model. We cover different types of models on this YouTube channel. That's all, and see you tomorrow. Okay, now I will save this file. I'll click here, then I will save it, and I will save it in the folder I used to install the model. I will save it over here and I will call it, for example, as input1. Then I will convert the FLAC file to the WAV file such that I can provide it to the model. And then I'm going to edit a JSON file over here, which specifies which input to look. Then I will save it. And then what I will do over here, I'm going to run the model. And here it is. Now the model is running. And after about 15 seconds, this text will be generated, which is accurate transcription of what I said. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? What is happening today? This YouTube video is about an AI model. We cover different types of models on this YouTube channel. That's all, and see you tomorrow. So this is a perfect transcription. Furthermore, this model is capable of understanding the context of what I'm saying. It's also able to recognize the accent, to describe the tone, and to do all sorts of things. This is a very powerful model that can be executed on a local computer. One of the advantages of this model is that it's relatively small, and I'm running this model on Nvidia 3090 GPU, as you can see over here. And it takes no more than 15 seconds to transcribe videos, or actually better to say files. Okay, let's start with installation. I will provide a link to all the commands that I'm typing in the description below this video. However, my suggestion is to try to understand what these commands are doing. Only in that way you will be able to properly learn how to install AI models. So let's start. First of all, click here and search for terminal. And then over here in the terminal, let's do the following. First of all, before you start with any type of installation on a Linux Ubuntu system, it's always a good idea to make sure that your system is up to date. You can do it by executing these two commands and enter your password. Next, we need to install Git and Git support for large-scale files. To do that, we need to first of all execute this command. And then let's verify the installation by running this command. Good. Next, let's install Git for large files. We can do it like this. Here it is. Good. Next, let's make sure that we have Python dev environment. Here it is. Then let's make sure that we have the GNU compilers. Good. Let's proceed further. Since we will be using a recorder to generate a test case so we can test the model, I'm going to use a GNOME sound recorder and I'm going to install it. However, if you already have a sound recorder in your system, you can skip this step. we can install GNOME sound recorder like this. Then let's make sure that we have FFmpeg such that we can convert files. That is, we can convert audio files. Good. Next, let's create a workspace folder. To do that, I'm going to type this command. This command is going to create a workspace folder, and then I'm going to navigate to this folder, and inside of this folder I'm going to clone the remote repository. The remote repository is given over here, and you can simply clone it by searching for Nemotron-Labs-Audex-2B, and you can simply copy this address, and then you can simply type git clone, and you can paste this address and press enter. To warn you, this operation might take a while. We are downloading, I think, around 15 gigabytes of checkpoint and model files, and it might take several minutes on your computer to complete this operation. The downloaded folder. The next step is to create a Python virtual environment. For that purpose, let's navigate to the downloaded folder. You can simply type cd and tab, and then over here, let's create a Python virtual environment. Remember, whenever you want to install a Python library or libraries, it's always a good idea to create a Python virtual environment, and to do that in an isolated environment. Next, let's activate this Python virtual environment, and let's make sure that we have the necessary libraries. Now, if you blindly follow the instructions given on this page, which are by the way not complete, you will see that they are simply running Python 3 pip install VLLM audio. However, if you run this command, you will get error when you try to execute the model. The issue over here is that you need to specify the correct version of VLLM audio, and we can do it like this. This will make sure that we don't have errors when we try to run the model. Next, we need to install the model's required plugins and inference scripts. However, this command over here that I'm currently running might take a while. Consequently, let's be patient and let's wait until this command is completed. Next, let's install model's required plugins and inference scripts. Let's run this command over here. Then let's run this command. And next, let's install a librosa. I discovered that we also need this library. Okay. Once we do that, let's create a test file. And to do that, I'm going to click here and I'm going to search for sound recorder. And here it is. Click on sound recorder, and over here I will press this button to record some file. Okay, so I'm now recording something and I'm doing something. However, I'm going to stop it over here, click here, and to show you one thing. You might get an error while trying to record with this sound recorder. If you get an error, if you cannot record, click here and then click on preferred format and make sure that FLAC is selected. So make sure that FLAC is selected. So let's try again. So now again I'm recording and I want to test the model. I want to see if this model will be able to reproduce or to transcribe my text, that is, transcribe what I'm saying. So let's save this, click here, and save the file as input1.flac. However, you have to save the file in the appropriate folder. So go to test Nemo, go over here, and save the file as input1.flac. Okay, now let's go to our terminal and let's locate the file. Here's the file, input1.flac, and let's convert this file to the sound format we want. To do that, we need to simply run this command. We need to call fmpeg, we need to specify the name of the input file, which is input1.flac, and over here we need to specify the output file. And once we execute that, let's verify that the file is here. It is. Next, we need to create a JSON file that will define the parameters for the model. To do that, type nano and call the JSON file as inputs.json. So let's copy this, let's paste this, and let's paste the content over here. So let's copy this, let's paste this, and let's explain what's written over here. Well, first of all, the ID can randomly be selected. Over here is the most important part. You need to specify the input file name. And over here, you need to specify what this model needs to do. Specify that it comes from human, and here give instructions. I want this model to transcribe the audio. However, you can change this sentence by saying, for example, also recognize the tone, is this person happy, recognize the accent, and so on and so on. To write it out or to save it, press Ctrl O, press Enter, and then Ctrl X to exit. And then let's see the file over here, and that's it. Now we need to run the model. We run the model by using this command. This command is relatively simple. You need to specify the path to the inference script, then you need to specify the path to the model, then you need to specify the input JSON file we just created, and then here comes the part where we are going to store the output. It is going to be in results.json, and you simply pass this parameter. So let's try to run this command. Let me type clear here so you can see the command and press enter, and that's it. And now it's going to take a while for the command to be executed. Note over here that I'm running this program on my Nvidia GPU. Over here I'm going to open the new folder and I'm going to search for or type nvtop. nvtop is a program that kind of tracks the consumption of your GPU memory and other things in real time. And you can see what's happening in my GPU percentage, and you can see the memory over here. And if you don't have nvtop, you can simply install it. It's relatively easy. Okay, and here it is. Save the results to audio outputs results.jsonl. And let's search for that file. So I will click here on files, then I will go to home, then I will go to test Nemo, I will go to this folder, and then the file is saved in this folder, and here's the file. If I open it up, let's see what this file is saying. Well, the spoken content of this audio is try again. So now again I'm recording and I want to test the model. I'm going to see if this model will be able to reproduce or to transcribe my text that is transcribed and what I'm saying, and so on and so on. Okay, it works as it should. Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for watching.